This is not your typical cordless quarter crown stapler 18 gauge. Find out why. It's a system. When I say it's a system, there are some accessories which we'll find out later in this video why this makes it the one-all, beat-all 18 gauge quarter crown stapler. So the model number is the GC9032. GC stands for Grex Cordless. Now, I've done cordless videos on Grex Cordless nail guns before. I have been waiting for this quarter crown stapler for a long time. It's finally here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to step you through the initial setup. That's the first thing. So it takes a fuel cell, but it also takes a couple of batteries. And what kind of batteries are they? They're your typical AAA batteries. This is what I love about this whole Grex cordless system. I don't have to have a charger. I don't have to have a bunch of batteries. If I run out of charge, I just go to the local 5 and dime and get a couple of AAA batteries. I don't have a new battery platform. The AAA batteries go in here like this. They last a long time. And you just swivel it back like this and replace the little hex screw. So this is the fuel cell, but before I set up the fuel cell, I'm gonna load it with some 18 gauge quarter crown staples. Now, you can buy staples from Grex or you can use anybody's quarter crown staples. These I just purchased myself because I had an outdoor project. These are stainless steel. This gun did not skip a beat. This gun holds 200 staples. That's 2 100 staple racks. It's amazing, okay? What does that equate to? Less downtime when you're building cabinetry. You want to go with this. And also, I'll mention the fastener range is from 3/8 to 1.25" on the 9032. And it's an easy, quick load. I just take it like this. I bend that little tab down like this, feed it in, and I'm gonna feed another rack in real easy. Just like this. I am ready to go. Okay, so pay attention to this part about loading a fuel cell on this gun, all right? It was confusing in the beginning for me, but then I called Grex and they stepped me through it. They got fantastic customer service. So there's a little tab here, a steel tab. I press it in. It helps me open the payload. And there's a little shelf right here. I take this, I don't push it in. I take it and take the cell and just set it there. And then I'll depress this tab again and lift it up and it loads. So a quick tip about the fuel cells. What I like to do is take a little lubrication. I use just regular petroleum jelly and I put a little on this little nipple. And what happens is when I put that in to the gun, that helps lubricate the O-rings. It's the power of 3. I always say you depress it 1, 2, 3. That's priming the gun. And then I'm ready to go. So this gun is very powerful, and I want to show you. I got this maple here, and these are at the max 1.25 inches, and you can see it sets every one absolutely perfect. That's power, baby. Up top here is the power adjust. That's a plus and minus. I'm gonna set it all the way for 3/8, all the way down at minus. At 1.25 inches, I'm gonna set it all the way up. So the reason I do this all the way down is so I get a perfect set if I'm shooting 3/8. It doesn't save fuel, but what it does is it releases what is unneeded. This is the belt hook. You can put it on either side. This is so handy because I can just take this when I'm adjusting stuff up on a ladder and it's right here. So once again, another great feature is this no-mar tip, okay? But on there is a center line. On this side, it's split because this is a staple on this side and this side. So it makes lineup effortless like this. And if you need to get into a really tight spot, this nomad tip is replaceable, and there's actually a point here, and you can aim that down into a really tricky spot. So the nice thing about this safety shape right here, this point, is it aims into a 45 real easy. A killer application for this is right here on tongue and groove flooring. I could take that and get it precisely, and this makes this narrow crown stapler a perfect flooring stapler. All right, before we start using this, I want to call out one more item. Okay, it is a small compact form. It weighs in at 4.4 pounds. That's with the staples, the batteries, and the fuel cell. But also the ergonomics. It's so well balanced. They got this comfort grip handle. And more importantly, when I'm using this inside a cabinet or building a cabinet or up on a ladder, I don't have that daggone hose getting in the way. It's just so easy to use. Okay, I did a little test here, and I want to show you why an 18 gauge quarter crown stapler. It's about holding power for me when I'm building something and I don't need to be inconspicuous with a small nail hole, where I just shot these apples to apples, an 18 gauge with my cordless 18 gauge nailer, and these are the crown staplers that I just shot. The crown staple has 2 legs, okay? So when I shoot that in, it's basically 2 of the 18 gauge brads. And when I want something never to come apart, look, this is the brads I can pull right apart. This is the staples. I'll never be able to pull that apart. So think about this. When you're fabricating something, when you need to make sure it holds and you don't want to wait for glue to hold up, that's how I always look at it. I grab my quarter crown stapler. So when I'm building toe kicks for cabinetry, I reach for my quarter crown. Okay, just like this. Now I can just set it like this and go to town. Always, always, always remember, the cordless stapler is ready to go at any time. So let's start talking about the system. I just built this. I eyeballed it. I used the center line, but this is something that goes on the front. This is an accessory, and this will speed up your operation and give you perfect results. So where this lives is right on the front. There's 2 extra 3mm hexes, and it goes on just like this. You slide it down and you tighten them up. So what this allows you to do is get precise reliability, especially if you use an 18mm plywood, because I can use this to hold pieces together and register exactly 9mm right into the center. So if I have a lot of repetitive work, I could just take that, put it right up against there and shoot. So when I'm building cabinets, it's long enough, it actually helps me balance it, just like that. This offset at 9mm really speeds up the operation. It helps you align that edge perfectly. It's basically almost like another clamp holding it all together because of the extension of this. So that was for 18mm plywood. But what if I'm building drawer boxes out of 12mm or 1/2-inch material? If you notice, there's a slight offset, and if I loosen those hex screws and I flip it around, it gets me right in the middle of that 12mm material. So where this works great is perfect for drawer box construction, because you can line it up, and say you got a lot of these to produce, you just take that, put it on the edge, and boom, and boom. It speeds up the operation exponentially. So I'm gonna say it, this is a killer accessory. So this is another accessory. It's a light, and there's a channel on the bottom of the magazine, and what you do is you slip it in here like this. It's at an angle, And when I tighten it here, there's a little tab back here. You turn it on and it aims right at the tip. So you know what this is. That goes on the front. But check out this channel again. And here is another piece that goes into that channel where the light goes. And it has that registration point. And it has an offset in this is a registration point to that tip. So you can go right into the middle of a board and have extreme repeatability. So if you like these attachments, stay tuned, because more will be developed and released to make this system even more versatile. So hopefully this video is helpful in showing you these killer accessories. It really speeds up the operation. It shines a light on things, but also this cordless quarter crown stapler is more than just a cordless quarter crown stapler. It is a full system. So as we always say from the Sedge Tool Shop, be positive and stay sharp, and we mean wicked sharp.